Hello, this is the first video of this little game that I've been creating. It's kind of like a 2D Minecraft but with 3D graphics. And so far I've just got the basics, so player movement and destroying blocks by clicking. I've not got the mining animation yet. I've got it so his pickaxe follows the mouse. And you can jump. And I've got gravity acting on the player. You can also scroll the mouse in and out as well, so you can see the level. This like, what's it called? World generation. All I did was create the blocks layer from layer. I think there's 10,000 blocks in total. And then I just used like a circular object just to place anywhere in here, and it'll just delete any blocks that are touching the circle. And I just used different sizes and scales and things and just pushed it straight through, and that's creating like a basic world generation. My trees are looking a bit crap at the moment. I've got plans to like do them up a little bit. I don't really know what to do with them though. I've not got any fall damage yet, but I think I really like the look of the 3D like world, but the 2D character. And the way I'm gonna do it is, like, he's staying in the middle of the blocks. So if you look, he's always in the middle of the block. So any block that's in his way, like this, he's gonna hit. But it also means that I can place blocks in front of him and behind him, which won't interfere with the character. So I've got plans for, like, I can, you know, like on Terraria where you can place walls in the background. I'm going to do it like that, but put it on the back so that it won't interfere with him. You can also test for that just by using the Z depth. So I can say, like, when I click here, I can pick out the object at the back. I've just realised you can't see the mouse on the screen. So yeah, this is just the first development video, really, of this game. I've called it CreoScape version 0.01. I've not got the selection hotbar at the top working yet. That's my next goal. I think it's quite an interesting concept, like having the 3D world with the 2D characters. I've not seen it done before, and I had the idea a while ago. I've been playing Terraria and Minecraft, and I've always thought, like, would that not work with 3D graphics? Like Terraria with 3D graphics. And I know there's a plugin, a mod thing that can do it on Terraria, but it only did it slightly, and I thought I want full 3D. I've got this little dev window that pops up as well if you press F1. And it just shows the various statistics, so player positions, angles. That's if I'm facing left or right, basically. He always looks towards where the mouse is, so you can't see the mouse on the screen. So I'm basically moving it around, and he's following the mouse. Player collision is what object he's hitting at the moment, and at the moment he's touching the floor block. So as I move, that's each block. Play on ground is just if he's touching the ground or not. That's for the jump, really. We've got player jump, that's the power of the jump. Player falling. And up here it's got FPS, it's running at 60 FPS. I've got the display mode that I'm using, graphics card. You know, it's not a decent graphics card, but I'm still managing to get 60 FPS out of it. So yeah, this is development number 1. I quite like this view where you can zoom straight in. I don't know what this is. This thing keeps popping up like right behind the pickaxe. See that little thing that's showing up there? Still don't know what that is, because there's nothing on the graphic. I think it might just be the edge of the object, because I sometimes get it around the player. See how there's purple behind the player? Like, that shouldn't be there. Still trying to work out some of that. Hopefully I'll have it fixed in the next video. I put this little thing in here, like, this is to do with the movement of the player. Like, instead of just jumping up all the blocks like this, if you hold space, he sort of like runs up it. It's like an automatic climb thing. So there we go. That is episode 1 of this development. It's just something I'm working on in my spare time. Just keep adding stuff to it every now and then. This is going to be the standard view, I think, this scale. The music is a song that I wrote myself. I did an album of like relaxing meditation music, and I thought it would work well with this. I don't know about the sound effects though, because they're on the track. They kind of work, but I'm not sure. I like these caves. I love it when you go inside a cave. I'm going to put some like stuff that you can find down here, like gold or diamonds. It's all completely random, the level generation. It's not very big either. Maybe I can expand it in the future. It's 250 blocks across, and I think it's about 36 tall, which isn't a lot, but I just wanted to make it so it was playable, like on my computer, because I've not got the best computer, so adding more blocks would just slow it down. And I just wanted to see if I could get all the crafting stuff going. So I think it's working at the right size at the moment. Right, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next development log.